I can still recall our summer. I still see.
This is literally what it looks like. Send out
walks along the
2 minutes max because
laughing in the rain. Our last summer.
my entire skincare
Memories that remain
in January. This will be full. Good morning. Today is Sunday, so happy Sunday. I need to leave here as soon as possible. I've not had power for a while. We've generally not had power for a while. I'm genuinely tired of hearing my gen all the time. All the time, it kind of irritates me. So I'm going to leave the house. I need to pick up orders for Block Lunatic. Today is Sunday. I'm just going to package it today and then send everything out tomorrow. The YouTube video was supposed to go up this week. Couldn't go up this week because I've sworn not to post on any days except Tuesday. It's fully edited, right? It's just the intro that I need to do and the thumbnail, export and upload that today, which is Sunday, and then pick up the hair and to remember stuff I need to do because I didn't write it down. I like to reply my comment on my social media. Like I try to be as on top because I don't want to start doing, oh, I'm so busy, like I don't have time. No, I have a couple of videos to edit, like the installation for this hair. I want to post a video for the installation. I want to tell you, it's such good quality. I mean, I've never really had bad quality hair, but this one, name of the brand is Strand. I got this in December. Can you imagine? Like I got this in December and today is the 7th or the 8th of March. Like I've not really been keeping it. I've just not been, like, I've had locks on, I traveled, so I had to do all that before. That's even too much. I don't think you want to hear all these things. But anyway, I'm carrying a small bag, but I'm going to put camera, chargers, equipment, everything. I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to carry it so everybody think I'm going to do something later, but actually this is just a bag I'm actually carrying. So didn't eat dinner at all. I didn't really eat yesterday, if I'm being honest. I'm pretty sure the only reason I'm slimmer or I'm still in shape is because I don't have the energy to cook. The person who makes food for me and all of that, she's not in town. So I'm pretty sure that's why I'm still in shape. My camera is about to die. But yeah, this is the outfit again. Bury me in jeans, bury me in jeans, bury me in jeans. Perfume, which is the only thing I'm going to show you because my camera is about to die. Bigal gifted me their perfume oils last December. 3. They have 3 new perfume oils. This is my favorite. My mic just died. And then the Mystique. It's currently 3:07. I have a couple of orders to send out for my dispatch rider to come so I can send him. I can give him these and give him the addresses that he's sending them to. In case anybody who has any of these, anybody has ordered from me is watching this right now. I'm sorry for the slight delay. I opened a pre-order window when we had we sold out on already made lock units. I opened the pre-order window. It was very short, so I didn't think I was going to get that much orders, especially pre-order. But apparently, the people love a little discount. I'm waiting for my dispatch rider. After that, I'm going to pick up a package because someone sent me something and it's been stuck at the station for a while. They said that home delivery wasn't available, and I don't even know why they say that. I don't know why they said that, but yeah, that's about it. Thinking of carrying this bag because it's black. So this dress, I stole this from my sister. Also, I want to buy makeup. Some of my makeup is, like, my setting powder has finished, my setting spray has finished. The prices of makeup scare me sometimes. Like, I'm just a girl. And as usual, my gen is on. My gen is on right now because there's no light in the whole of Nigeria. My gen has been on for, I don't know, like...
This, but while they're getting ready for my whole life, my strong suit is in marketing, in socials. But I think I have got to get some notice in the mail. We're jumbo nominated because logistically, man, the most crucial thing. You are absolutely going to apply to DMs, do PR. Our most recent hire is our information, our Instagram. And I don't know if you guys know my friend Mai, who's also November 22nd and 20th, and like throwing powder and stuff out right now. Just because I feel like to do like just to keep it show you.
Yeah. Okay. I have a virtual meeting right now. Immediately after that, I will start shooting. Hi. Yeah, hi. I'm so sorry I'm late.
And you're gonna have to studio in Nigeria. So what's it called? We are going to have a series that is
Bye. Oh my god! I have like 30 minutes max because like this is sunset. The last time I picked up this camera to vlog, I didn't really vlog, I was vlogging in patches. I took out my hair and got a slick back. I didn't really like the way my sewing was done. Like, it wasn't really laying well. I sent out an order from Lock Lunatic. Guys, I was testing out the waters. Like, I don't know if you ever heard someone say they were testing out the water. That's what I was doing with this first drop. In total, what was made was like 2 dozen pieces. And I was testing out the way people receive it, my people receive it. Now I know the feedback has been amazing. The feedback has been more than good. I'm going to put out different colors, get a website, and have like different lengths. Wait, before I say something, I will not do that. Hold on. Before I say the word, I will not do. I'm trying to have different lengths available for locks. I'm done testing out the waters. I know that, okay, this can be a business, even though this is not my first time trying to run it. I want to fix the mountain of PR. There's PR situation in the sitting room. I want to fix it. There's like a lot of things I've not like cleared out. So I just took a shower, did my skincare as usual, uncover. My entire skincare, everything I use for skincare is uncover. I have my Bodin eye patches on. I really like these things, but I've not had them on in a year. I want to clear this mountain of PR. Looks like this is the situation right now in my sitting room. And there's more in the room, but I just cleared them out and I threw away some of the boxes. I'll also take pictures of the ones that just came in, just because I do this thing where I usually post PR on my story. I also sorted out some of my clothes to give out and threw a lot of them away because there's just so much stuff in this house right now. Like, I don't really need all of this shit. Big Guy just launched. Sorry, they launched this in December or January, I don't know. But they sent me the PR before they launched it, I think. oil perfumes. I don't think I showed you what was inside here because I don't think I vlogged in December. These are oil perfumes. White florals. This is my favorite one. Smells so fresh. It smells like something you wear after like taking like an everything shower. I don't know how to explain it. Like it's just so fresh. This is my favorite. I've not touched the other ones at all. These are the remaining two. The other one in musk and this is vanilla sugar. I'm dreaming of a bigger Christmas. I don't know if you can see that. Very, very cute. Gingerbread. They sent me candles. I think these are scented as well. Very cute. Very cute. This is a candle. Malite sent me their Sunday scent in the most recent prints. Sent me this dress in December.
Life was over. West Virginia. On my river, dark and dusty.
Fash Noella. This is my girl's brand. I'm saying my girl like I've even met her in real life. But yeah, you sent me two things actually. I don't know if I should wear it or I should just put a picture of what it looks like. Alright, so I think I'm going to wear this to like a work event. I had to turn off the music to concentrate a bit, so the top is a little bit loose for me. I mean, it's not loose, it's a little ill-fitting on me. And then the pants are not fully zipped up at the back because there's nobody to help me do that, so I might look a bit shabby, but I promise you this outfit. Also sent a tank top. So cute. I don't know when tank tops like this became so popular. I think it was something for I'm exactly sure, but I know Kai Collective did a lot of like they had the most PR with this whole tank top madness. Thus, the most beautiful linen like pieces that I just absolutely adore. They didn't send me anything. I was going to buy something from them. I'm just gonna wear it. Vaseline. They sent me this in December. 6 variants of their lotion because we worked together. So this, the other ones are in the room. Wait. Hey Siri, play.
Gotta celebrate, man.
I got slides from BG Soul. Here right now, I don't even know where it is, but I'm going to attach a picture of it. I got 2 dresses from Catherine Walk. One of them is at my tailor's and this is the other one.
I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad.
I got this dress from Vasilisa. Very pretty yellow dress. I can't wear it because I'm sweaty and I feel like I would, you know, mess it up, but it's the name. I found this photo of me in Egypt in January. Lens for Good souvenirs. This is from October in Imo and this is from December in Lagos. Practically the same things are inside, like Ulanzi mics, Ulanzi lights. Some of these are my Timu order. I was supposed to be working with Timu on a campaign, changed their email, so I lost contact with the person. But yeah, so I'm going to leave the rest of these things here. Like, this is good, this is okay, you know, I can deal with this is enough. And this I'm going to leave it in here because there's just too many things inside here to deal with and I wouldn't know where to put them. I have this beanie. I don't know if this is called a beanie because it doesn't really feel like a beanie. I got it from the jig. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to wear it. I'm just going to find a picture on Pinterest. I really like it, I just don't know how to wear it. I'm going to my friend's house. He invited me. He didn't invite me. He invited myself to his house. I should have gone way earlier, but you're an adult. You don't have any time stamp. Literally all my faves posted today. Lisa, Amy, Moya, what's this girl's name? What's this girl's name? Paige, Lorenzo. I'm so inspired. I'm so full. Like I'm ready to just, you know. But I'll see you. Where is it going to? I'll buy the baby to come to my house. I'm not beating anybody. Right.